A very good evening to everybody. I've kind of lost my voice, but I thought it is. I got very happy news that I cannot hold back. Today very early, no lah, 11:07, really not very early. Okay, I try to. My aim is try to start my live stream at 10:45 or something like that. Okay, so good evening everybody. Thanks for joining me today. Today I've got a very big happy news to share everybody. So everybody come in right now. Okay. Yes, Jennifer, good to see you. Ken, Wen Liang Hopik, good to see you. Xian Ming, okay. How? Okay, well, good evening, everybody. What do you think is the good news, guys? What do you think is the good news? Okay. Wow, my voice sounds rough. Yeah, terrible. Okay. What do you think is the good news, guys? Okay. Your congrats for what now? Your all right. How you all know the news? How you all know the news? Okay. I didn't break the news except to give me a minute. Let me on the aircon. All right. Oh, Chailing. Okay, have a good trip. So today is today I'm gonna break to you all a very big news. Everybody seems to know the news. How come? How come everybody seems to know the news? I haven't break the news to everybody. All right. Grandfather with okay, we still have. All right. So today it's all written over my face. Okay. Yeah. So yes. So thanks everybody for joining. So the big breaking news for me to share everybody is Mr. Lu by the end of this year will become a grandfather. Okay. So Kate, my daughter, is pregnant. Yep. So she didn't want me to talk about it until the first trimester is over. So now the first trimester is over, she allowed me to tell everybody. So, yes. So forgive me, I've lost my voice quite a bit. I think it's a bug running around, okay? But yes, I'm going to be a grandfather, and I be frank with you, I always tell my children that I love to be a grandfather, and I'm very good with kids. I'm very good with babies, I'm very good with kids. Suddenly, I'm going to be a grandfather. I'm not too ready for it. How many of you are grandparents really? And maybe you'll share with me some experience. So I'm going to be a grandfather. I'm going to be a grandfather, and I'm not ready for it in the sense that I still feel myself very young. Yeah, I still feel myself very young, very, very highly energetic. Okay, and thank you guys for all your congratulations. Okay, and I really want to be I really want to be a good grandfather. Okay, yeah, really want to be a good grandfather. So I thought this is something very important. And today I will talk about the stock market as well. I'll talk about what's happening in the stock market, the gold market, the Bitcoin market, and also in the Iranian side of things. But however, I just want to share everybody that this particular good news is my very good yes, it's my very happy news that what's happening to me. Okay. Thank you everybody very much. Yes, so the first thing I want to do, which I want to share everybody, is that I have a great plan. I don't want to give my children a lot of money, but I would like to give some money to my grandchildren. So what is the amount of money to top up and where to top up? Anybody knows? Okay, Jeannie, thank you. Okay, and can you? So where are you going to top up? you should top up to your children and grandchildren's special account. And how much you top up is the magic number $60,000. Okay, $60,000 because they earn 5% interest. Now, sorry, I'm not feeling well, but I haven't figured out. Okay, first of all, wow. Okay, I give my children a KPI. Everyone needs to give me 3 kids. That will be 9 kids. If everyone I top up 60,000, 9 times 6, wow, over $500,000. That's a hell of money, right? Okay. But I'll be, yes, all babies have CPF account. Yeah, all baby have CPF account. So if you whack, it's kind of difficult to calculate because the first $60,000 is 5% interest. After that, it's 4% interest. And by the time you hit 55 years old, the first $30,000, you get a 6% interest. Kelly, good to see you. So, no, you can top up. You can top up to their retirement sum top up scheme. Okay, $60,000. So, yeah. So I'm gonna think of how to top up. Yeah, you can top up a special account, MediSave account. Not much different. I like special account because I cannot touch it. The children cannot touch it. You top up to their MediSave account, they can touch it, and then they'll stop the compounding. Okay, James, thank you. Charlene, thank you. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the big happy news that I have, and and I'm getting myself ready. I got, I don't know, 6 months or 9 months to prepare myself. Yes, I'm going to be a grandfather soon. Okay, JC, good to see you. So I share this joy with you, and this is a important life stage transformation as I get promoted from a father to a grandfather. So I thought that was a very big happy news. That day we went for a scan, and I could hear the baby heartbeat, and we could see the baby. So it's a really amazing. It's a really amazing thing. My wife was just right in the clouds, right? So thank you. Yeah. Okay. So after I break the news, let's take a look at the stock market and let's take a review, shall we? Okay. Sorry, these few days the voice is terrible, and I'll just give a quick update on where the market is right now. Okay. Now the stock market is going down. It's going down, not very down, but slightly down. And the Nasdaq has gone down quite a lot. Okay, 0.7%. But it has broke through 300,000, but now dropped down. So it's quite significant. It's going down. Okay, and the market is that there are no more good news and potentially some bad news. Everybody is talking about SpaceX, the loss-making company that is going to be joining the Nasdaq soon and things like that. There's a lot of concern over it. Now the other thing I want to talk about is Israel is continuing the attack at Lebanon. Now remember, Iran attacked Lebanon. Okay, wait, sorry. I better check whether the signal is working just in case. Oops. Wait now, guys. I just want to make sure that I can see all your comments, if you don't mind. Okay, I'm gonna see your comments. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, I got hot water beside me. So over the weekend, Iran struck Israel, Israel struck Iran. And the reason why Iran struck Israel is because Israel continued to attack Lebanon. Then suddenly Donald Trump tell everybody, please back off. So both parties back off from attacking each other, but Israel continue to attack Lebanon. So my guess is Iran will resume attacking Israel. Israel will strike back, and this whole thing will carry on. Okay, yeah. So I think this thing will continue to happen. So I don't believe that there's going to be peace for a long time. Meanwhile, the stock market, as a result, a bit wobbly lah, huh? Wobbly. I wouldn't say very serious, but very wobbly. S&P 500 going down, Nasdaq going down. Now, the one market I want to talk about is gold prices. Gold prices is doing not so well. Can you see? It's going down, 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 and even downward. So you look at the 6 months numbers. Okay, so it has completely erased 2026 gain. The 2026 market has gone up a lot at a high 5,000 plus. Everybody believed that gold would be the greatest thing on earth. Not all glitters, not all glitters are turn gold, okay? So it down, go down, 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 down. So at this point right now, he has completely wiped off 2026 gold position. Completely. Okay? Why is it going down? There's a fear of inflation. When there's a fear of inflation, that means interest rate is going to go up. When interest rate goes up, the market will move away from gold into anything that, especially bonds that will yield, higher yields and things like that. Okay. Now this is even worse. This is silver. Silver at its high. Silver at its high was 116 or something like that, or 120. Now it is half. Silver has gone down by almost half. Okay. So again, it has also wiped out its 2026. Now it's at 2025 numbers. So now the market is really very down on silver and gold. Yeah. Then let's take a look at Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin right now is at 61,500. Okay. Now, if you do see this graph, you understand it hit a high of $124,000. Now it's at $61,000. So it has reduced by more than half. Okay, is reduced by more than half. So a lot of people are saying that gold, silver, Bitcoin, all these are early signals of the stock market. Now, I can't tell whether that statement is true, but we do think that there is a lot of risk. Yeah, I've a very bad throat, so I'll do a quick update. I haven't done a live stream for many long time because the body is not doing well. To be frank with you, I haven't fallen sick since COVID. I haven't fallen sick since COVID. So actually my ginseng and all the rest of things is very good. In this whole trip, my wife fell sick first. She passed it to my son, passed my daughter. After 3 weeks, then it passed to me. So I'm last man standing. Anyway, life. Yes, thank you. So for those people who came in late, I would like to share a great joy of my life is that I'm going to be a grandfather soon in December. Okay? And it is a very big joy, and I'm really very happy about it. No, I haven't done COVID test yet. I'm actually thinking that it could be COVID, but nowadays COVID is just another virus. Yes, I stay far away. So this is my home. Next door is where kids stays, so we stay far away. Oh, Serene, you never forced a new 70, you know, in ginseng, you are strong. Okay, thank you guys. I think guys. So it's a great joy to be a grandfather. Actually, for some of y'all who are grandparents, how do y'all feel when y'all first become grandparents? Yeah, I don't know. Is there anything I need to do? Because parents, I know what to do. But grandparents, I don't know how to prepare myself. I stay very far away from kid. Oh, you're a grandfather too. How do you prepare yourself to be a grandfather? I don't know. Leh. Yeah. Only one task, only one task spoil them. Yeah. I think grandchildren, we can spoil them. It's our parents to discipline them, right? I'm sure we pray for them. I'm very good with children. Okay. I'm not so pangtang lah. Someone said that you share a commenter that you didn't fall sick for a long time. It's okay lah. We're not. We're only human. My mom's super happy when they become grandmother. Great. Okay. Just enjoy it. Spoil them. Don't drink cold water. Try to avoid cold water. Okay. I have warm water right now. Okay. I tell you, and God bless. I'm sure you are. Okay. Make sure your grandchildren don't eat like you. Thank you. Yeah. From now on, I gained quite a lot of weight. I gained 2 kilogram in China. 2 kilogram in China. So right now I fell sick. I hope I'll lose it away. Yeah. So my father is going to be a great grandfather. Okay. My father is a great grandfather. He's 88 years old this year. I think it's a great joy, right? How many? Yeah. Anyway, start investing. So I'm gonna bird nest time. Yes. Oh, by the way, we do have a lot of bird nests. We do have a lot, but I sell bird nests. I don't know how you all know. I actually sell bird nests. And we got very high quality bird nest. Okay, another day I'll show you guys the bird nest. Very nice. Yeah. Yes. After I recover, I'll try not to drink cold water. I make a point. So, so I, yeah. So yeah, 4 generations all staying together. So my house is here. My dad's house is just next door. Just next door here, separate by one wall. My children stay with him. I stay here with the 2 cats. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I get a bird nest at wholesale price. Wholesale. No, that means I get it at factory price. I sell at wholesale price. So very good price. The quality is very, very good. So anyway, I drink warm water. So just now, our share is premium more. We don't do live anymore. Yeah, too busy. Because I've got businesses to run, and Shopee fees are very, very high right now. So I told B that give me a chance to focus on my business. Okay, one of these days I'll show you guys about bird nest. Okay, I don't have a lot of stock, but I do have some bird nest. Okay, yeah. Mr. Lu talk too much and eat too much. That is true. That is true. So we'll talk about bird nest another day, but I just want to say that right now, I just finished a class on investment, preparing everybody. And one thing I did is that I use AI. I use AI to do something quite simple, but it's quite important. Maybe I show everybody before I sign off, because today not much voice. Okay, I'll show you guys this very interesting thing. Okay, and so let me show you guys something very important. And some of you guys will love this. Okay, so a lot of y'all will know that I have an investment strategy that would invest when the market draw down 10%, 15%, 25%, 30%, 25% whatsoever. But how do you monitor drawdown? So a lot of people say, wow, Mr. Lu, need to calculate, very difficult and things like that. So I passed the problem over to AI. I asked Claude to develop a simple real-time monitor for me on drawdowns. So Claude did it for me, and this is a real-time drawdown calculator. So this S&P 500, can someone verify for me what is the S&P 500 price right now, SPY, and QQQ and MSCI World Index is URTH 199. The numbers should be around that. There may be some delay on this price. Okay? Yeah. So the drawdown on S&P 500 is 3.5% right now from its all-time high. NASDAQ is 5.9, MSCI World Index is 3. Okay? So AI helped me build this thing, which I thought was quite amazing. Okay? Yeah. So yes, Serene, that was wonderful. I have the best Father's Day present. You're absolutely right. So when the market goes up and down, this one will adjust. And then once it hit, okay, so not too far away, SPY 732, okay, around there. Okay, wait, let me see if I can refresh. All right, okay. Yeah. So this all-time high, uh, there's no formula for all-time high. It is the all-time high. Okay. Yeah. So SPY is 732. So I think there's some time delay. So I'll get it maybe 15 minutes delay or something, which I think is okay. Someone find for me what's the NASDAQ? QQQ, is it around 704, 705, 703? Okay, around there. And then the MSCI World Index. Okay, so it's around there. So I think there's some time delay on this thing. I think it's a 15-minute time delay because this stupid Google Finance has some time delay, but I think it's around there. So for those people who have joined my investing in confidence class, I will issue this calculator to you guys. Okay, and it's a real-time calculator. You already been taught on my strategy. When it hits certain mark, you enter the market. So I'll pass this guy. But I think the more important thing is that it's not a difficult calculator, but it's something that most of us would know how to build lah. But again, I use Claude. And Claude built for me. I think that's quite a simple one. Okay, thank you. Right. So I will pass this. This calculator, real-time monitor to all my ex-students and my current and future one. Okay. So all right. So that you can monitor, because everyday monitor how to monitor, right? So this one. Okay, very good. So anybody who still wants to join the investing with confidence class, you can join this WhatsApp this number. Anybody wants to join the AI class, you can scan this QR code on the top right. Okay, or top right. And yeah, anyone have any questions, guys? Anyone any questions? Okay. Yeah, I think it all started because I have a throat burn, acid reflux. And why I have acid reflux is because I was in Chongqing and Chengdu, eat a lot of spicy food and eat very late. So it burned my throat terribly when I sleep. Ate too much, too little. Ate too much too and go to bed a bit too early. So it burned my throat. That day it burned my throat until blood come out. That's how serious. So it was quite bad. So now at that point in time, my throat has some vulnerability. And then B fell sick first. I didn't get infected. Then Ben fell sick. Then I didn't get infected. Then Emily fell sick. Then finally my turn. So anyway, this is what I'm still human. I got to accept the fact I'm still human. I've been pushing my body. You all know, right? I push my body very hard, more tougher than a lot of people. Yes, for those people who have been, who has gone through my my investing in confidence class, you will get this drawdown monitor and you can use it to execute. Okay. Mala is bad for old people, you're right. Uh, Mr. Lu, will you teach us how to create this real-time monitor? I'll teach you in the course, I'll teach you something more sophisticated. Then for you to create this one is even easier. Okay? Yeah. In the cloud class, because you need cloud to do that. No, I don't like soccer. I don't like soccer. Oh no. Kate didn't join us in China, not because of the pregnancy, but because she's working. Your friend passed away at 59. Wow. Do drink more. Oh, NG, very good to see you. Do drink more water. Yes. So we are nearing to market drawdowns right now. So do you all want to get yourself prepared? Okay, you all get yourself prepared. How much to how when to deploy, how much to deploy, okay, and what to deploy. All this will be taught into the in the AI course. Okay, well, not AI course. Will be taught in the investing in confidence course. Huh? Oh, Richard, you're hitting 6 months very soon. Yeah, he cut his smoking, and if you hit 6 months, I'll buy you a lunch. Okay, I'll buy you a lunch. Huh? Okay. So Richard has cut down smoking by six months really, or reaching 6 months. Can we encourage him? Okay, can we encourage him? Huh? Okay, well done. Press on. Okay, to cut smoking is very very difficult. We're very proud of you. Okay, so the market, wow, how come suddenly go down so much? Huh? Wow, how come? Huh? Wait, guys, it suddenly went down a lot. I want to show you guys that the S&P 500 suddenly went down by 1%. Suddenly dropped by 1%, and the Nasdaq went down by another 2%. Why suddenly dropped down so much? No bad news, right? Okay. Yeah, I don't see any big bad news. Does anybody know of any big bad news? I didn't see any big bad news. Oh, my equities, this thing haven't even update yet, I think. Okay, haven't even update yet. Okay, I will wait for it to update. So now if the market hits close to 10%, 8% or so, what I'll do is that I'll quickly run a crash course for all those people that have signed up for June and July to retrain, and all the people who have been trained before to join us as well. Okay, those ex-students, if you want a revision course, you can join in as well. Okay. Oh, maybe yeah. I don't have a sore throat now, but I got a horse. It destroyed. Yeah. Okay. So Richard, everybody is encouraging you go for 6 months, 12 months, and 6 years and 60 years. Okay. 加油, Richard. Okay. So please don't take honey with ginseng. Pure honey is not good for baby. I'm not pregnant, so it's okay. But kid, I don't think she take honey. Okay. Tomorrow got CPI report. I think the CPI report will be bad. Okay. Then the market will outside. Oh, Google Sheet typically delay by 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I am trying to work out the cost of Malaysian. My only fear is that it'll be too expensive, but I'll find some way. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys. I really appreciate this. So this is where I just want to say, yeah, the phlegm irritated my throat. Okay, so this is where I want to say, I think the sentiment of the market is not good. The SpaceX IPO in the pre-market is really down. Now, I don't know how, I'm not a good IPO monitor, but I think that the SpaceX, the SpaceX IPO could be the trigger for a market downturn. Okay, so I think they are sucking up a lot of liquidity. So let's see whether what will happen. But anyway, get yourself trained first. Get yourself trained first. We do run a investing confidence course on crash course. I also teach 10M65 in it. I'll give you a crystal ball inside to help you project your wealth. I'll give you a crash buying simulator. And now I'll give you a global equity monitor. So it's a very good course, okay? How many of you were in my course just now and you've just finished the course? Okay. Well, I'm surprised the market go down by so much. Why would the market go down by so much? I didn't see any bad news. Okay, so kanchong for what? Okay. Mr. Lu, IPO for Claude, what do you think about it? I think I will not touch any IPO. Why? Because I don't pick stock. I don't pick stock. I only invest in globally diversified index fund. SRS, invest during a crash. Invest during a crash, okay, into globally diversified index fund. Should you top up the children's CPF or buy SPY? Of course, CPF. Of course, CPF. Why? Because CPF is a powerful financial safety net. Okay? Without doubt, CPF. First $60,000 in the SA get 5% interest. Okay. Now, let's watch this space very closely. Okay, let's watch this space very closely. I will call an end to this live stream because my throat cannot go on for too long. So I apologize, guys. Okay, but thanks for joining me, and more importantly, thanks for sharing the joy with me that I'm going to be a grandfather. Okay, I'm going to be a grandfather, and this kind of joy is immense, immense, more than money can bring. Okay, all right. Thank you, guys. So I'll see you guys in hopefully tomorrow if my throat is okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Okay. I'll see you guys. Not grandfather yet, grandfather to be. Yeah. I hope to be one of the youngest and best looking grandfather. 谢标脸, right? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Okay. See you guys. See you guys. Good night. Good night. Really appreciate this. Good night.